How to fix Airpods double tap not working on Spotify. Spotify is pervasively used on both iOS and Android devices. In spite of high-tech and sophisticated characteristics present in the Airpods, there are quite many users who fail to enjoy the songs and podcasts on Spotify. There are some of the factors that need to be considered for double tap not working on Spotify. They are: 1. The software version of the iOS device must be updated to the latest version. 2. Do not try the double or triple tapping activity on the Airpods if you use AirPods General 3 and AirPods Pro. 3. Uninstall the application and reinstall it after some time. 4. Check the battery span of the Airpods. You can easily fix the issue by reinstalling the Spotify application or updating the iOS to the latest version. Other than this, make sure that you have connected AirPods to your system. If this does not resolve the issue for you, you can always contact the support team.